Profitability of a maintaining dairy animal depends on its reproductive efficiency. It is like a mantra as said that a calf per cow per year is essential for successful dairy farming. For optimal and successful productivity, the cows should get pregnant within 2 to 3 insemination. The cow should calve once in 12 to 14 months, and the cow should conceive within 90 days of calving. Heifers are future replacement stock for the existing milking cows. Attainment of puberty in animals depends on their age, body weight, nutritional status, genetic and environmental conditions. Deworming should be done by first week of age. Thereafter, once in 3 months, calves should be dewormed till 1 year of age with the appropriate drug in consultation with a veterinary doctor. It will help the calves to achieve optimum weight gain. Crossbred heifer calf should attain puberty approximately 17 to 24 months of age, whereas the native cow and buffalo calves attain puberty approximately at about 36 months of age. Body weight attainment is more important than the age of the calves for the onset of puberty and sexual maturity. Hence, balanced feeding may help to attain puberty earlier in delayed pubertal calves. As per the available literature and report, on an average, only 30 to 35% animals are conceived under field condition. The animals should be inseminated within 12 hours from the onset of estrus symptoms. Normally, ovulation will occur 10 to 14 hours after the end of estrus. If the animal exhibits estrus more than 24 hours, it is advisable to go for second insemination with a gap of 12 hours from the first artificial insemination. The timing of mating, insemination, is closely related to successful conception or fertilization. The inseminated heifers should be checked carefully for estrus symptoms 17 to 22 days post-insemination. If the animal does not show estrus signs, 45 to 60 days of post-insemination, a pregnancy test should be carried out with the veterinary doctor for pregnancy confirmation. Fixed-time insemination may be carried out in problematic heifers which are not becoming pregnant even after 3 to 5 insemination after reaching a proper size, weight, or normal development of reproductive organs. Synchronization with fixed-time insemination protocol like OV-Sync or double-sync protocol may be useful for successful fertilization with hormonal treatment. Here, the ovulation time can be fixed in a coordinated manner for simultaneous release of ovum and sperm availability within the oviduct with maximum changes for fertilization to take place.
ಸುಪಾಲನೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸುಮಾರು ಸಾರಿ ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ರೂ 7 ನಿಲ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. NIA NP ಅವರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಆಡನಹಳ್ಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಹತ್ರ ತೋರಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ 7 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾದಮೇಲೆ ಫಲ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಫಲನೂ ಆಯಿತು, ಹೆಂಗೋ ಅನುಕೂಲನೂ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ.
For further details, please contact Dr. Arangasamy A. arangasamy@gmail.com. Dr. Letha Devi G. lethaayur@gmail.com.